Welcome to my channel today. Today, I am going to discuss my simple forex strategy that works on every pair. Yes, it is my personal strategy and it works on every pair. I know you are here because you want to check if this strategy will work for you, or you are looking for a strategy that will work for you to make money. But I want to let's look at it this way. Assuming you are a footballer, a very good footballer for that matter. Now you are being invited by Man United or Chelsea team to play football or to be their member. Now, the very first day you report to the team, they have a very crucial match tomorrow. Do you think you will be part of that match? Obviously, you will not be, because they have formed their strategy. They have formed their trading of match plan, which you are not part of it. So you must understand how they play. You must understand their pattern, their plans before you start playing for them. That is why you have to train over and over with the team before you become a regular player. That is applicable to Forex trading. You want to trade my strategy and you don't know how to come about the strategy. Do you think you can make money out of it? No. For you to trade my strategy, you must understand how I built it. And that is why you see there are a lot of people selling signals, giving out signals for free, yet majority fail. Why? Those signals, the giver has a particular things or some things he has seen in the market that gives him that plan. You don't see those things, or that is not what you see. So because of that, even if he gives you the signal, or even if it gives you the strategy, you will not win in the market until you understand the chemistry behind the signal, the strategy. So that is what I will do today. I will show you my trading strategy, but I will tell you factors that I built into those strategies. Now, the next thing is, how do I build my winning strategy? The elements. I studied very well. After studying technical and fundamental analysis, my trade is hinged on technical analysis. 90% or 95% of my trading decision is based on technical analysis. I can read the charts. I know the candlestick. I know the language the chart pattern speaks. I know the language the candlesticks speak. I can read the past market reactions and history from the chart and guess what the future will be from the chart. I am good at my technical analysis. Are you good at technical analysis? If you want to trade my pattern, you should start thinking of my strategy. You should start thinking of being good with the chart, understanding the language the chart speaks. The fundamental analysis, they are obvious. You must know fundamental analysis, but they don't make my trading decision. Why? Fundamental analysis lasts, that the fundamentals of this economy or various economies last for years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Countries like Russia, where Putin has ruled for so many years, hardly will the fundamentals change. Countries with a lot of presidents that have stayed a very long time, hardly will the fundamentals of the economy change, unless if someone else come in with a different ideology, then you see the fundamental. That's political fundamental, some natural, economics, all those things are bad fundamentals. So I pay little attention, no attention to fundamentals. The news you see the non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, and all those things. They are news, and what they cause to the market is spike. When they cause a spike, the market will continue in its direction. So that is why the technical analysis is is the bedrock of my trading strategy. Now we have 4 types of different trading styles. We have scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. I am a day trader. I trade by the day. I take my decision based on candlesticks. What the candlestick formed today determines what I will do tomorrow. Let me give you an instance. Let me give you an instance with a chart. Now, this is gold, USD. Now, my favorite pair is Euro USD anyway. Fine. Now, look at this. Look at this. You see here, this is an engulfing pattern. This is an engulfing pattern. If I should analyze this in deep, you may not understand it because that is not your trading pattern. But however, now this market has formed a bearish engulfing pattern here. Now, my trading pattern is like this. Since it has formed this, I will sell when this market retraces 50% of this. Had it been, I want to trade this market today, this is the right time to sell. I will sell this pair because it has retraced 50% into this. If I don't trade it that way, I will wait for deeper confirmation. That is when this will form, another sales candle will form. Then I will know that actually the sellers are fully in market. That is my trading pattern. I trade engulfing patterns very well. Bullish and bearish engulfing pattern. I trade it very well. That is my trading pattern. That is one of my trading factors that makes up my trading strategy. Let's go back to this. So I'm a day trader. So what kind of trader are you? Are you a scalper? Do you want to be a scalper? Do you want to be going in and out of the market every minute? If that is the case, my strategy will not work for you. Are you getting it? So you must know, are you a position trader? Yes, it can work for you. Even if you're a scalper, it can even work for you. So far, you can understand the candlestick patterns, which is what I trade. Now, what is my entry signal? As I've told you, my entry signal is that I will wait for a formation and confirmation to form. Like here, this is a complete, buyers come to this market, but the sellers completely wiped out everything here. Obviously, the sellers are with force in the market. In this market, once this candlestick closes here, I will do what? I will sell. And you see, if I had sold, it will give me to this point, and I will go out of the market. That is how I trade. So what is my exit strategy? My exit strategy is 1% of my money. Once I make 1% of my capital, I go out of the market. Minimum of 1% anyway, maximum of 3%, I'm off the market. No matter how the market is going, so far I've made that money, I've gone out of it. That is my clear exit strategy in every trade. Then the risk management. I don't expose, let me give you a instance. For a $1,000 account, I trade 0.05 lot size. 0.05 lot size. I don't expose more than 1 to 2% of my money to the market. I'm a conservative trader. That is why if after 1 day or 2 days, the market did not mature in my direction, I'm off the market. My goal is to protect my capital at all costs, because if it doesn't favor you today, it will favor you tomorrow. What of stop loss? I don't use stop loss. That's why I use tight risk management. I built stop loss in fact, I don't call this stop loss. It is called stop further loss. I don't use it in my trading pattern. What I do is that I build my stop loss into my exposure to the market. Risk reward ratio Ensuring potential profit from trade is better than the potential risk. Yes. This is obvious. As a trader, this is a rule you must obey. Now, after forming all these plans, do you stick to it? I personally stick to my plan. I personally don't joke with lay down rules of my trading. If I don't see it, if it is not matured, I will not trade it. My emotion is built into it. So I control my emotion. Yes. Once you don't have a very good plan, that's when you see greed. That's when you have impulse buying, sorry. That's when you see going into the market in and out as one. But if you have that plan and discipline, you must stick to it. Patience is more compulsory. You must be patient. If you don't want to be patient with the market will wipe you out. So you must learn to wait, always wait for the market to move in your direction. Remember, this is not trade of certainty. It's trade of probability. But in this case, let your probability be high, the probability of winning be so high. Please, if you're enjoying, subscribe, share, click on the notification button. Please, I'm begging you, so that you will know when I'm bringing out this information as raw as they are. I've been in the industry for a very long time. So I will tell you things no one will tell you. Things you will not read from anywhere, because I'm speaking based on experience of losing millions of thousands of dollars to the market and gaining thousands of dollars equally. So subscribe, be part of my team. Let us grow. My personal trading strategy, the link above will link you to a video where I dissect everything, step by step, how I trade. Yes, as I said, no single strategy will work for everyone, and no strategy is fail-proof. No strategy is self-proof, but the most essential or reliable strategy is the one you build out of your personal understanding of the market, out of your personal understanding of the market. So I urge you to please be part of my team, subscribe, share, click on the link above to watch my video on exactly how I form and trade my strategy. Thank you for watching.